You gonna fall.
Cassie, to help you find your ticket and ride the carousel. Paw Pilot, what's the first special step?
Step 1. Find
Sit
the
down,
last
man. You
ticket.
gonna fall.
Over here, Oso. It fell down there.
I have to figure out how to get Cassie's ticket out of there before the water washes it away. I know. I can fix the ticket with my grappling hook pen.
Almost had it, Oso.
My grappling hook pen didn't pick up the ticket.